Today, you will learn how to print selected pages in a PDF file. First, go to the folder where your PDF file is saved on your computer. Now, right-click on the PDF file. Click Open With, and then choose Google Chrome. Your PDF file will open in the Chrome browser. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click the printer icon or simply press Ctrl-P on your keyboard. The print window will open. At the top, next to Destination, make sure your printer is selected. Now, find the option called Pages. Select Custom. In the Page box, type the page numbers you want to print. For example, if you want to print page 2 only, type 2. If you want to print pages 2 to 5, type 2-5. If you want to print pages 1 and 4, type 1, 4. Before printing, check the preview on the left side to confirm the correct pages are selected. If everything looks good, click the Print button. That's it. Only the selected pages from your PDF will be printed. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy PDF tutorials. Thanks for watching.